Welcome to our video on website marketing tips. What to do and what not to do. In today's digital world, having a website is essential for any business, but simply having a website is not enough. You need to market your website effectively to attract visitors and potential customers. In this video, we'll provide you with some valuable tips on what you should and should not do when it comes to website marketing. So, let's start with what to do. Optimize your website for search engines. This means making sure that your website is easily searchable and appears at the top of search results when someone searches for keywords related to your business. You can do this by using relevant keywords throughout your website, creating high-quality content, and ensuring that your website is easy to navigate. Number 2, create high-quality content. High-quality content is essential for attracting visitors to your website. This includes blog posts, videos, infographics, and other forms of content that provide value to your audience. By creating high-quality content, you can establish yourself as an authority in your industry and attract more visitors to your website. Number 3, use social media. Social media is a powerful tool for website marketing. By using platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, you can promote your website and engage with potential customers. You can share your content, post updates about your business, and interact with your followers. Number 4, build an email list. Email marketing is still an effective way to reach potential customers. By building an email list, you can send targeted emails to your subscribers, promoting your website and products or services. Number 5, analyze your website traffic. To improve your website marketing, you need to analyze your website traffic. This means tracking how many visitors you are getting, where they are coming from, and what they are doing on your website. You can use tools like Google Analytics to do this. Now, what not to do. Number 1, spamming. One of the biggest mistakes you can make in website marketing is spamming. This includes sending unsolicited emails, using shady marketing tactics, and bombarding people with ads. This can turn people off your website and damage your reputation. Number 2, keyword stuffing. Keyword stuffing means using too many keywords on your website in an attempt to manipulate search engine rankings. This can actually hurt your rankings and make your website look spammy. Number 3, neglecting mobile optimization. With more and more people accessing the internet on their mobile devices, it's essential that your website is optimized for mobile. Neglecting mobile optimization can result in a poor user experience and a loss of potential customers. Number 4, neglecting your website. Your website needs regular updates to stay relevant. Keep it fresh with the latest trends, content, and design. Your website is your most valuable asset, so ensure it's always in top shape. Number 5, don't obsess over the competition. Conduct a competitor analysis to identify market trends, but remember to focus on your brand awareness and business growth. Avoid obsessing over follower counts or like. And that's a wrap. We hope you found these tips helpful in your website marketing efforts. By following these tips, you can attract more visitors, convert them into customers, and grow your business online. Please feel free to share your comments and suggestions in the section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.